So you want to build your own in-home dance studio? Well, you came to the right place. Hi, my name is Cameron Cole, the Dancing Affiliate. Got it right the first time, pat on the back. If you don't know who I am, I'm a YouTuber, dancer, Michael Jackson impersonator, dance coach, entertainer, and all the above. If you like all that, make sure you like and subscribe. In this video, I'll be showing you the cheapest way that you can make your own in-home dance studio. With the pandemic going on, we have a lot of people working from home, doing things mobily. So right now is the best time to build an in-home dance studio. Having your own personal studio inside your home saves you a lot of time commuting back and forth to the dance studio. You can literally come home, change your clothes, and get right into dancing. Hopefully when you're watching this, we're out of the pandemic. I'm going to show you how I built my in-home dance studio with spending the least amount as possible. Let's get into the video. First, we're going to go over the space. You're going to need some quality space for this in-home studio. In my place, I'm going to use my space in my living room where I have wooden floors. I like dancing on wooden floors, but if you have carpet, it's okay. You can work with that as well. Mirrors. A dance studio is not a dance studio without mirrors. So I got 4 pairs of mirrors from the local Walmart, about $10 each. We're going to be using those. First, you want to take the cardboard off the back of the mirror. In this video, I'm going to be leaving the frames on the mirror just for longer safety, but it's up to you if you want to take the mirrors out of the frame. Second thing we're going to need some command strips. These will help keep the mirror stuck in place to the wall. I got 2 packs of command strips, which were about $7 each. So what you want to do is put the command strip on each corner of the mirror and make sure you hold it down for at least 30 seconds. Next, you want to line the mirrors up on the wall to see where you want to put them. To make sure the mirrors are straight, I download the Level app to modify its straightness. Alright, now it's time to put the mirrors up. Okay, now we're going to clear the mirrors off with some Windex to give it a nice clear look. Always make sure that your space is clear before you start dancing. We don't want to have any minor injuries. Alright, the last thing we're going to need is some music. You don't have to spend money on some huge speakers if you don't want to. You can always use your phone, your laptop, or your TV. I suggest you get some Bluetooth speakers. If you don't have any, I'm going to leave in the description below. You can grab some from Amazon today. Well, there you have it, your own in-home dance studio in less than 30 minutes. Make sure you like this video and subscribe, and stay blessed and always keep dancing. Cameron Cole, the Dancing Affiliate here, and I'll see you in the next one.